Today I'm going to show you how to download SVG files and upload them into Cricut Design Space on an Android tablet. You can find SVG files in many different areas, but my personal favorite is to find SVG files on a website called Creative Fabrica, and it's just creativefabrica.com. They have a variety of different things to offer here. This on my laptop is where I absolutely love to find different fonts, as you can see here. But they also offer images, 3D crafts, needlework photos, just a whole bunch of different things. Okay. Now the easiest way to find what you're looking for is to use the search box at the top. So let's say we are looking for ocean SVGs or ocean pictures that we want to cut out with our Cricut Joy. So we would type in ocean or whatever we're looking for, and then we would type in SVG. This is the system or the file type for cutting out for the Cricut, and we will hit go. And here we have, as we can see, 56,847 different SVGs that we can use. So there are all sorts of different ones that we can find. And so let's just, for the sake of looking, let's go ahead and get this beautiful sea turtle. This is such a cute sea turtle, and this would look so good with on like a t-shirt or something. So let's go ahead and hit download, or even for a card, honestly. Okay, so once it's downloaded, we need to hit the open button with my files. From here, it's going to open this menu, and in order to use it, we need to extract it. So go ahead and hit the extract button. Okay, so now here is our files. So now we can go into Cricut Design Space. We can go to Upload. Select from Photo Library. Go to Albums and Downloads. And so here we see this image. We don't need that, so just click away. So here we have our image that we just downloaded. It all looks nice and beautiful, so we're going to say Apply. This is a single layer. So we want to go ahead and do that. Since we are going to be using this as a cutout file, hit Next. We can add a name, so I'm going to say Sea Turtle on Beach. And make sure that there's nothing else. Hit Upload. So now it's going to just take a moment to upload. So now that that is uploaded, we're brought back here to our canvas. So we want to hit the Upload button, open Uploaded Images, and there we see our image that we just added. Hit the plus button and click View. And so you might need to scroll out depending on how big it comes in. But here is our beautiful little image. It looks like we somehow have two. There we go. And so from here we see this is a really, really big. So we have this little icon because it is much bigger than what our thing can support. So we can just make it smaller. and zoom in. And then we can either cut this out of whatever material you like, regular vinyl, HTV vinyl, depending on what you're looking for. And that is from start to finish how you upload an SVG into Cricut Design Space on Android and add it to your workstation. Thank you so much for joining me today. Bye!